Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Webtats YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable guest mode in TP-Link router. Okay, so what is guest mode? Guest mode is a way to share your internet connection with your friends and family without sharing your main SSID and password. Okay, so let me show you a graph to explain more details. Let's say this is your router and this is SSID and password. Okay, it is fully protected. You don't want to share your SSID and password with your friends and family. Now, if you want to give access them to your internet connection, you can easily enable the guest mode. With guest mode, you can set a new ID and password to access your internet, and your main internet connection, SSID and password will be fully protected. You can disable this guest mode and nobody will be able to access your router. Okay, if you want to enable the guest mode, then they can easily access your internet connection with your guest mode without knowing your SSID and password, without knowing the password of your SSID. So this is the way how you can easily share your internet with your friends and family. So how to enable guest mode in TP-Link router? First of all, you need to select TP-Link-Wi-Fi.net. So if you go to TP-Link-Wi-Fi.net or simply access your internet connection, which is 192.168.0.1, you will find the same address. Okay, so I am browsing with TP-Link-Wi-Fi.net, and now I need to enter the admin and password because my password and username are same. And now you can see here my SSID is DreamWebtats, and if you go to my password, go to wireless and then go to wireless security, and then you can see my password is 128. But I don't want to share the password. I want to give them access without sharing this password. Okay, so how to enable this guest mode? Just select guest network from the left menu, and then you can see allow guest to access my local network. You can keep it disabled, no problem. Guest network isolation, you can keep it disabled, no problem. Guest network bandwidth control, you can keep it disabled because we will not control the bandwidth. Okay, you can see the guest network is now disabled. You need to enable this. Okay, so enable this and give the new SSID. You can write here DreamWebtats guest. This is the SSID name, and now maximum guest number. You can see you can set the maximum guest number here, and security, you can keep it open or you can select the personal security, and you can easily set the password. Let's say I will set the password 123456789. Okay, so this is the password, unique password to share my internet connection. Okay, and if you select save, the guest network will be okay. So after a couple of seconds, if you select your internet connection here, you will see a new internet connection will show here. You can see DreamWebtats guest is now showing. Your friends and family will now be able to access your internet connection without connecting this main website. Okay, this main SSID, they can easily access your internet just by connecting DreamWebtats guest. So this is the way how you can easily control your bandwidth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked my video, thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment below, and if you still have any confusion, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel DreamWebtats to get more tutorial like this. I will see you in another video. Have a good day. Bye.